guys, Megan Pulley here with Apex Window Works. Today we're going to be taking you on a tour of our window repair process. Follow me. Here's one of our mini window units that we're going to be looking at today. If we look closely, we can see signs of rot in the window frame. This rot can completely destroy a window unit if action isn't taken. Let's see how our pros will fix it. We will take the window apart, carefully inspect for any signs of rot, measure, and cut exact replacements for every damaged section of the window. We do our own wood cutting right here on site to ensure our clients get their windows done as soon as possible. For our wood, we only use highest quality of wood from only trusted suppliers. This wood goes through a kiln drying process that reduces moisture in the wood and eliminates knots. Then we paint or stain the wood so it blends seamlessly with our house. You can't even tell work has been done. Here's another window that needs to be replaced. When we look, we can see condensations built up between the window panes. This means the seal is broken and this window needs to be replaced. To eliminate long waits, we use our own production lines. With the power of technology and expertise, we have our own robotic cutting machine that can cut hundreds of panels of glass a day. This robotic cutting machine can cut through any thickness or shape of glass, making it a perfect fit for even the rarest window types. Now that we've finished the work, let's take a look and see what our client thinks. Mr. Kelly, what do you think of the job?
It is fantastic. My windows look like new and cost me about half as much as new ones would have. It's environmentally friendly. My father used to always say, don't throw away anything that you can repair.
So could you tell our viewers, please, why you chose Apex Window Works for your project?
Of course. I got this house from my parents, so I'm very careful when it comes to any repair projects. Apex Window Works came recommended from a neighbor, and when I Googled them, I was very impressed. They had over 1,000 reviews on Google. I've never seen a company with so many positive reviews.
So you chose Apex Window Works for their references?
Well, not only because of that. Apex Window has been in business for many years, and that's important to me. I don't trust companies that are given a 5-year warranty and then they've only been in business a couple of years. You know, how do I know that they'll be there if I need them? Like I said, Apex gave me a 5-year warranty and I can be sure they'll be in business for that period.
Mm-hmm. It must be inconvenient staying in your home during the repair process.
Well, this time it was totally convenient. The estimator came out a few days ago, took all the measurements, told me what they could do, and gave me a really good price, which I agreed to right away. The office called, scheduled an appointment, and here we are. The work was completed in just a few days, hardly any wait time.
So, one last question. Reflecting back on your experience with Apex, what is it that you liked most working with them?
Well, I appreciate that I was able to solve all my window problems in one place. I had rotting frames, foggy glass. Some of the windows wouldn't open properly. And Apex fixed everything. So it was a perfect fit for me to get everything done in one place.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kelly. This ends our tour with Apex Window Works. I'm your host, Megan Pulley, and we'll see you next time.